Welcome back to my channel, and now I am going to make or cook beef steak or bistek Tagalog. Okay, so we only have like 4 ingredients, or 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, 5. It is a steak that it's cut thin or sliced thin. Okay, but this one I already cut it, but you can also buy a cut already from the store. So this is just like 3 pounds. So what we're gonna do is just like I have to put 1/2 cup of soy sauce, and then I have to put calamansi juice, or you can also use a lemon juice. And then I have to put 1 pack of calamansi juice. This is like a calamondin or whatever that they call, but you can also use regular lemon juice that you can buy from the store. Just mix, 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 and then marinate it, and then just put a little bit of sprinkle a little bit of pepper. And then just mix, 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 and marinate it like maybe a half hour to an hour, so that the tomato sauce, the soy sauce, and the lemon juice or the calamansi juice will soak in. So after 30 minutes, I'm going to start to cook this one. But this one is thinly sliced. See? There you go. Just wait. We're gonna just let, and this onions, so we're gonna use this for toppings later. I will gonna show you. To start, after like I marinate this after 30 minutes, or I think it's just like 45 minutes. After 45 minutes, now we have to start cooking. First, we have to fry it first. Not really fry. So I warm up a pan with oil, and then I have to do it one by one. Let the oil get hot. Like this. You can cook it like a halfway cook, or you can cook it all the way. Not a lot of oil, just a little bit of oil. Now it's we have to wait. We have to flip it until it's golden brown. Here it goes. Here. There you go. So it's your choice, guys, if you want to be like fried thingy or whatever. So we have to wait until it's get a little bit the soup or the water will get dry. So here it is. It's done now. So I have to fix it here. It's your, guys, it's your choice if you want to be like a little bit fried. This way is okay. And then we're gonna put more here too. Until everything I cooked. Okay, so I'm waiting to cook. While waiting that the meat cook all of it, then I have to cut these onions like this. You can also use yellow onions or white onions. It depends on you if you want to use it like this. So it's almost done. So we have to put them all together here. And then mix a little bit like that. And then this is the soy sauce with the calamansi juice or lemon juice that I marinated it, and I have to put it in here. Okay, to be the soup. Then we just have to let it simmer. And I have to add these onions on top. So can you imagine, guys, how smell it is? It's really good. So put that. And then I just have to let it simmer a little bit so that the onions will cook. My finished product. See, it's so easy. Yeah. So guys, don't forget to watch and subscribe my YouTube channel, and I will gonna post more videos about my cooking. Most of them are like Filipino foods, but please watch out and like and click also the bell button or whatever. That's it. Have a good day. Have a good night. Yum, 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 yum.